Welcome to Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube episode 60, and this episode is solely on summer collection and that also within our budget. All sarees will be within 4,000 or maximum around I think 3,850 rupees. So let's start. Product number 1, it's in check linen Banarasi. Just see the beautiful pallu. It's mainly in silver zari. It has zari woven checks in bottle green. Beautiful antique silver zari woven border. It's a Nakshi border. Here comes the pallu part. Beautiful paisley design and price 2,990 rupees only. Ideal for gifting in Poila Boishak, or also you can gift anniversaries for wedding to place it in the wedding trays as gifts and all. Bishon bhalo hobe tottete dewar jonne kauke ba sisters, cousins, parents. These are lovely woven sarees and also very reasonable range, economical range, and this is the woven blouse piece. These are not silk linen, these are cotton linens. So this range is also obviously that's the range according to the range. As I said, 2,990 rupees with woven blouse piece. I'll show you all the colors available in this. This is a deep maroon color with red border. Bright and vibrant color with the silver zari. You can wear all your junk silver jewelry with this, look very nice. Since it has a woven blouse, so also again you can make a longer sleeve blouse, 2,990 rupees. Especially the paisley weave is also very interesting, and the checks that also done in zari, lightweight, soft, comfortable and very reasonable. That's also important, I always show the silk products which are all above, mostly above 8,000, 9,000 range. So this is a very minimum range, and also don't worry about the quality. Even though these are not handloom products, these are powerloom products, but still the quality you can, you will be happy with the quality because you are buying from Sanskriti. The products that you like, all you have to do is just take the screenshot with the number and the description that is provided. You have to send it in the WhatsApp number provided, 7603042696. The other number is 98311 Any one of the number you can contact for orders. In case of calling, if you want to really speak, then you have to call the 983 number. 760 number is only for bookings, for messages only. 2990 in black and maroon. Obviously the black and maroon looks very, very rich. Ideal for a night evening out in summer. Even for summer, like I love wearing black throughout the year. So it's a ideal piece to wear it in the evening, and with this rich woven blouse piece, it will be a very standout combination. Just check out the combination, black and maroon, and here is the pallu. Cotton linens, Banarasi woven, antique zari. Just see the color, and that also dual tone, peacock blue. Beautiful peacock blue with all over antique zari buta, dual tone, double border. Here is the pallu. There's the Facebook link that's also going. Sanskriti Kolkata, we have the Facebook page where there are albums given, like linen Banarasi, you'll get an album. You'll get different, whatever the products that I show, like koras and all, there will be the albums. All sarees within rupees 4,000, there is an album. So from there you can get more options, and to get this exact piece you have to prior book it, because we don't keep these in bulks. You know, we make these 2-3 pieces and then we go on to our next new collection. So in bulk you will not get, even if you come after a week, you will not be getting these. You get more varieties, but designs and products or the style will differ. So maybe you will get linen, but obviously not exactly the same color or the design. So for that you have to prior book, and of course in showroom you will get more options, but that also you have to prior book if you want this particular sari. 3,500 rupees only in linen Banarasi. Ideal for summer wear, you know, this very comfortable, soft and flowy fabric. Even for those who can't wear heavy saris, for them it's a very nice one. Just see it has two borders, the two colors rather. The upper part will be in dark navy blue and the lower part will be in, you know, blackish Rama color. It's a deep turquoise blackish color. Two different, I'm sure you can understand the difference in the two colors. Again double border, and then 3,500 rupees only. A very smart looking sari, and especially the color. It goes with our Indian complexion, and also it's big buta. So just take this screenshot and message me. Once I confirm you and I receive your payment, the shipping will be done. See the blouse piece. So this is the sari. Once I get your transfer, the products will be shipped within 2 days. We do tailoring also. For that additional charges, cash on delivery only in Kolkata. And do like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for regular notifications. Just there are options. So you have to press the all notification option. Then you will get all the notifications of the videos that I upload every week. This is also a lovely dark maroon color. Price, this I'll just tell you the price. I think 3,850 rupees. Just see the paisley, this beautiful teardrop weave throughout the border. One side border will have this motif with this kind of a beautiful copper zari weave. This also, the upper part is magenta and the lower part is maroon color. See, a simple sari, but how beautifully the weaving has been done to give it a twist. So here is the look. Once you wear it, you know, it's very, very smart. You know, in the eye, it looks very different when you wear it. Here is, see, দেখতে খুব সুন্দর লাগবে। এই যে দুটো যে প্যানেল কালার যাচ্ছে তার সাথে কন্ট্রাস্ট ব্লাউজ, আর ওয়ান সাইড এই যে উইভটা ভীষণ আনকমন, ভীষণ স্মার্ট দেখতে এটা। সো দেখুন, লিনেনের মধ্যে আমি নানান রকম ভ্যারাইটি দেখাচ্ছি। এটা আসবে রয়্যাল ব্লুর ওপর, 3,850 রুপিস। अगेन এটা রয়্যাল অ্যান্ড টার্কোয়েসের দু কালারের উইভিং, রয়্যাল অ্যান্ড টার্কোয়েস। আপনারা একটু অপশনও দিতে পারেন, ধরুন কেউ এটা বেশি পছন্দ, বাট সেকেন্ড পছন্দ হয়তো মেরুনটা। সো আমাকে দুটো দিন যেটা অ্যাভেলেবল থাকবে আপনারা দিয়ে দেবো, ইফ ইউ আর রেডি টু কম্প্রোমাইজ আ বিট। সো দিস ইজ 3,850 rupees. Again, the price and the details are all mentioned. And here is the whole look, in all blue shade, but again there's a difference in color combination of the body color and the beautiful woven blouse piece. I'm also wearing one of these so you can understand the fall, you know. All the colors are very pretty. Just see this color, Moyurkonthi Shobuj, peacock green. The lower part will be emerald green, the upper part will be little bit of more peacock green, turquoise blue and peacock green combination. So this is the weave, and especially see it, nobody will say that this is this range. It's so, because of this antique zari, the look is more rich. 3,850 rupees. There's an Insta page also where you can just check out the Insta pages, though not much sari products are uploaded there, but still you can have a look, and also the Facebook, of course. Very smart color. Now here comes again linen, 3,250 rupees, but without border. It has a woven contrast piping and all over Meena antique butta in dual tone. It's a beautiful color. You know what color would I say? This is yellow snuffish, a very mehendi type of a color. It's a lovely mehendi green. 3250 dual tone, pink pallu. Somehow the color is very nice. See, I'm wearing it with a Rani color blouse. I think this is looking nice with this blouse also. So these kind of blouse pieces are available in various color in store. So one or two pieces of color, common colors, if you make them, it goes with a lot of saris. So this is the, see, this blouse piece is also so rich. 3250 soft woven sari, all over Meena butta, no border. Two colors in this. This is again dual tone, mauvish grey. Very uncommon, unique color combinations. $3250. Let's see the sari. Product number 11, 3250 again, Konya butta, dual color in the body. The upper part will be in solid color, the lower part will be in stripe, and that also self stripe and woven. So this is the look in royal blue, Konya butta, soft linen Banarasi. It has a chandeli feel, lightweight, narrow, very narrow woven border in red. 3250. Linen, woven, and with a lovely woven contrast blouse. Range wise, these are very nice saris, you know, and the look is also very rich. It doesn't look that these are 3,000, 2,900 range. Now this comes Chanderi. Summer is already in, and this is a lovely shade of off-white with very small antique zari weaving all over, satin woven border. Antique zari, another line of weave. Ideal for Poila Boishak, if you have puja at home, for any rituals you can wear this. Soft, lightweight, very very comfortable, and a lovely combination, of course. Price is 2,800, 2,800. So this is the sari. Extremely soft, you can understand how soft it is, and the satin red border so bright because of the satin fabric. It's looking very, very rich. And here is the blouse piece. It's a Dudhe Alta color. This is the blouse piece. Very simple sari, but at the same time very striking one. See, again Chanderi, all pastel shades, 2,990 rupees with resham woven tanchoi border. It has a self stripe, I'm sure you can understand, with big dollar weaving buta all over. Baby pink color, resham tanchoi woven border. The border is also very pretty, very different kind of a woven border. Here is the pallu. Price I've already told, 2,990 rupees. Lovely pastel shade. Very soothing, sober color. Because most of this time I show very bright colors. So for summer I think these colors will look very nice. Soft colors, very refreshing colors, and that also with this lovely blouse piece. See, you can easily wear gold jewelry with this and then go to any kind of formal occasion even in the mornings. The jewelry that I am wearing, this is also a very pretty temple jewelry. It has tassels so you can increase the length. Just see the beautiful rice pearl beads tassel with the very intricate pearl embedded filigree work design, and here is the earring with this. 4,500 rupees for my jewelry. 4,500 rupees for the jewelry, and the bangles that I am wearing, before I forget, this is the bangle, 1,550 rupees. Pair of 4, a set of 4, 2 pairs with red and green stones, set of 4. The same sari that I showed you in pink, this is product number 14. This is in brown. Lovely coffee color border. For those who wants to avoid orange, pink and reds, so this is a lovely coffee color. This is also looking very elegant. This is the pallu and this is the whole sari. Just see the blouse piece, beautiful coffee color blouse piece. Again, let me show you once more the border. Just see the woven border. Now, last time I showed one kota few weeks back, and it was highly in demand. So these are the new ones, kota, zari kota that I've woven just because of this program. Zari kota, soft, lightweight. Zari woven border. Very, very reasonably priced, only 2,600 rupees. But the look is very, very grand. Grand look with tanchoi woven pallu in orange. The body color is red, but the weaves are tanchoi weaves are in orange. So orange and red combination, 2,600 only. And this is the whole sari, all over buta. The zari will be only in the border, and throughout the sari it will have only buta. And just see the beautiful blouse piece. The first part is the blouse. It's going along with the pallu. So this is the sari and this is the, I've got hold of it. So this is the blouse piece. Woven Chanderi orange blouse piece and only 2,600. Soft, lightweight and very comfortable also. So I'll show you few more colors. Product number 16, episode 60 in royal blue and turquoise. Turquoise woven pallu and buta. Beautiful shade of turquoise blue and royal blue, ink blue. Pallu, blouse and the sari. Very rich look. That was in Buta concept. Product number 17 is in Jal concept. Price 2,990 rupees, 2990 in Rani color. Since you will be paying to a business account, I always give you my business account the account details whenever the payment are being asked for. So don't worry, this is a 25-year-old store. We have 2 stores in Kolkata, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Yes, this is the blouse piece, zari woven blouse piece. This is the pallu, zari woven pallu, 2990, all over jal weave in silver and gold, light silver and gold and orange border. Throughout the sari will be like this. So I am just showing you this way so that you can understand. Yes, the back part. This is the back part. Of course, it's woven. So this is the sari. This is in small buta, red and orange, similar to the one I showed. That was in big buta. This is in comparatively smaller buta, but the combination remains the same, the red and orange. Soft, lightweight, flowy, summery. Product number 18, 2,600, blouse piece, tanchoi woven orange blouse piece, and all over sari will have this look. Now coming to Chanderi. Chanderi with Paithani border. It's a cotton Chanderi with soft, lightweight, but see the border. One side this beautiful intricate woven border. This is so cool. I mean, this woven border is really pretty. This is the pallu. Product number 19, 3,250 rupees, cotton Paithani. Yeah, so this is the border. I really like this border. This is the pallu. This is the blouse piece, and here is the pallu. Product number 19, 3250. This is the blouse piece, and that also in pink and orange. And throughout the sari will have this lovely weave. Soft, lightweight, and only one color. Now the one that I am wearing, linen Banarasi. It has ghicha woven in the body. The color is natural tussar color with contrast woven border. This is in blue, turquoise blue border. 3,250 only, 3,250 rupees. Pallu and blouse piece. See the beautiful woven blouse piece. So the blouses are giving within this range, this with this rich blouse, it look really very nice, you know, even for gifting your parents, it look very, very nice. In-laws, mother-in-law, they love it. Product number 20. I'll show you two more colors in this. The one that I'm wearing, this is also available, this color. It's in pink, 3250 in pink. Here is the sari, here is the look, and of course this too will have a woven blouse piece, and here is a red. So 4 colors in this design, linen Banarasi with woven blouse piece. This is a beautiful red, all over butta. See the weave all over butta. These are the ghicha weaves. This is the red border, but mind it, this has been woven with the natural color. So this is not the loud bright red, this will be a matte muted red, dudhe alta lal jeta bole, not the loud red. And this is the pallu, this is the blouse piece. See the weave in the blouse, beautiful woven blouse piece. So these are the colors available in the product that I'm wearing. And the last one, 22 in charcoal black. So all the colors, the base color is same, the border color changes. Here is the border. Pallu 3250, product number 22. So 4 colors, and here is the look. Please comment, and if you like the products, send the screenshot for bookings, and keep the love flowing and your support. It's highly needed. Thank you so much.